vegetarian roasted cauliflower and harissa tacos with Queso Bravo is sure to become a new favorite. The heat of the green harissa and warm spices of the cauliflower are perfectly balanced with the smooth, creamy finish of the Queso Bravo. We'll get started by preparing the cauliflower. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the cauliflower on a large baking sheet lined with parchment paper and drizzle the cauliflower with olive oil. Toss to combine. Sprinkle the cauliflower with harissa seasoning until dusted completely, and again toss to combine. Roast the harissa cauliflower for about 25 minutes or until golden brown. Next, we'll make our green harissa. In a blender, add the cumin seeds, coriander seeds, jalapenos, green onion, garlic clove, olive oil, parsley, cilantro, lemon juice, and sea salt, and blend until smooth. Set this aside. Now we're ready to assemble the tacos. Fill each tortilla with a few pieces of roasted cauliflower. Top with a spoonful of Land O'Lakes Queso Bravo Cheese Dip, which is ready to use and full of cheesy flavor and a touch of heat. Next, add some green harissa and garnish with radishes and cilantro. The spiced cauliflower, creamy Land O'Lakes Queso Bravo, and zesty green harissa make for a delicious flavor combination and all-around fantastic taco.